Alrighty, it is time for our weekly segment called Nailed It or Failed It. And every week, Angie finds something crafty. We determine whether or not we nailed it or we failed it.
That's right. So this week we're going to test out 2 different science experiments that you can do inside because it's going to be cold this weekend and with ingredients you probably already have in your house. Only 4 ingredients can get you 2 science experiments.
She blinded me with science.
Exactly.
I love that song.
So I forgot our goggles, but I promise you that these 2 experiments are safe and okay for anybody of any age. They're actually really, really fun. So the first one, you're going to need, first your 4 ingredients that you're gonna need are water. We all have water, right? Any kind of oil that you have in your house that maybe you just wanna get rid of. Food coloring, we all have food coloring, right? And then for our experiment that we're gonna try after the commercial break, our second one, you'll need some like Alka-Seltzer tablets. Okay? So probably things that we all have in our house, right? And then you're gonna need lots of glasses. So for this one, I used 4 small glasses, and then you need 1 big glass. I decided to use a wine glass because it's one of my favorite glasses out there in the kitchen. And as a parent with your kids inside driving you crazy, you might want to have a wine glass on hand anyway. So
Your kids,
first,
you do that.
you're going to have your water, and you're going to want to do 1/4 cup of water in each of these small little glasses. So I'm just going to do this real quick for you guys. John, would you like to pour that oil in here and just have it almost to the top?
Okay.
I was going to hold it for you, but you just take
You're
it.
good. Okay, and then Eric, you can, I have 4 food colors out here. You get to put 2 drops in each. So 2 drops green in that one, 2 drops red in that one.
I think I can do this part.
Oh, perfect. And then
Little
John,
dots.
you could do 2 drops of the yellow in this one and 2 drops of the blue in that one. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix these up. So we have a green one with a 4th cup of water, a red one.
You're doing great,
Let's
Jonathan.
do a couple more red ones. I feel like that's not red enough, right? A yellow one, and then John is going to do our WQAD blue one. Okay, that's better. I like to be really red. Okay, the other thing we also have are straws.
We're not going to drink this.
We are not going to drink this, I promise. Okay, so what we're going to do with the straws, so each of you can take one, and you know how like you play with straws where you like pick it up with the water and you like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to do that. You're going to put it in.
In the color?
Put it in the color. Put your finger over it.
I
Pick
got
it
it a
up.
little bit.
Okay,
Yeah.
and then watch what I do. And we're going to just do these one at a time. Okay, right in the cup. And you're going to just release
All of it.
all of it. Go.
At once?
Yep. And then do that with all the colors that you have.
Okay. So yellow.
Yep.
blue now? Okay.
And now just kind of look what's happening. You know how
Oh, it's
oil
like
and
a,
water
it's
separates.
like a lava lamp.
So it kind of looks,
It is.
yeah, it looks like you're just kind of, you know, and
Can
the
I
more
go
you
back and
Kind of
forth,
pretty.
right?
and the more you put them in different areas. So like the center, the sides.
How come they don't go together?
Because oil and water separate. And that's as scientific as I can get.
Wow.
Because I don't really know.
Eric,
But,
aren't you impressed?
I mean, the more you do it, the more kind of cool they look, right? And they kind of are all gathering at the bottom. So like when you look at
I
it
like
from
it.
up top, if we could use our up top camera, I'll try to show you.
There you go.
Do you kind of see like how they're all gathering on the bottom?
Yeah.
I hope you could kind of see that. Yeah.
That's a good- yeah,
So
there
that's
you go.
something that you
You
could
can
do.
point there,
That's-
yeah.
And
That's a
like
good
you could
shot.
just go, I mean, for hours and hours, you could just have your kids play with this.
While mommy
And you could
sips her
just
juice.
Sit there
That's what would happen
and
in my house.
sip some wine, right? And
Hey
just
kids, you just
look
keep going.
outside. You
You
just
just
keep going.
keep working on it.
Just keep working on it.
It's not done
you,
yet.
you got to empty those glasses, kiddos.
It's not done
But
yet.
anyway, so that's a cool, it's kind of a cool, easy, fun science experiment you could do at home. Okay, so after the break, we're going to show you the second science experiment, and we have a new little mini segment that we want to announce for all of you. So we'll do that right after this.
This is actually really pretty.
Don't drink it.
I'm not